microprocessor, and
what does it do?
it does a light.
Okay.
And if we push this, it's a light. Well, I don't think it's working right now. Now it is.
Okay. Okay.
And this is one too.
So what happens here when you hold it down? What happens?
If I hold it down, then it's the light. If this blue one is connected to 13, and it's connected to 9, and it's connected to the light switch.
Good.
And
what's over here then?
This is connected to number 2.
Yep.
2, and it's connected to 23.
Okay.
And it's on this side of this.
What's that called? Do you remember? That's right. Push.
Push button.
Yes. And what happens when you push it?
It's called push button, and if you push it, the light switch comes on. And see this little light right here?
Mm-hmm.
It's a light too,
Oh.
but it doesn't really light up that much. And this is a light. If you press it too, it goes like that.
And it blinks?
It blinks. If you hold it down a lot of times, it wouldn't that work.
Okay. Now, remember what these things are called? Resistors.
Resistors, and
That's it. Is there anything else?
these are called resistors.
Yeah.
And there's another light. That's it.
All right.